If you're experiencing issues with media upload quality on WhatsApp, such as images or videos not showing or appearing blurry, then we are here with some troubleshooting steps you can try on both Android and iPhone. So let's get started. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable and strong internet connection. Poor network connectivity can lead to issues with media upload quality. After that, simply go to the WhatsApp settings. Then tap on the storage and data option inside the WhatsApp. After you tap on the storage and data, you'll get to see the photos, videos, audios option available there. So make sure that your photos, videos and audios are in Wi-Fi and cellular option available there. So what you can also do is you can check storage of your WhatsApp. Insufficient storage space on a device can affect the quality of media uploads as well. So delete unnecessary files or apps to free up space. Then simply go to the App Store and tap on the search address bar and search for WhatsApp. Then make sure you have the latest version of WhatsApp installed on your device. Updates often include bug fixes and improvements that may resolve issues with media uploads as well. So by following these steps, you should be able to troubleshoot and fix issues with media upload quality on WhatsApp. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you for watching.